I'm Rick Brown, Premier Sharpening here in the Atlanta area. My wife and I, we're mobile. We have a van that we're set up in, and we do everything on site. Two things that come to play when you're mobile service is power consumption and space. How big of things can I get in there? How small can I keep my equipment? And how much power do I have to have? Because that power inverter will only supply so much power to your situation. One of the things that you need is an air compressor, a way of blowing the hair away from, if you're opening up a clipper blade or a clipper to clean it, whether it's a master that you take the blade off and it's always just packed full of hair. So I found this little device. I was actually watching Larry the Barber Man on site, online, and he had this little gizmo. I don't know if you can see it or not.
I'll get it.
If I come back up. And I was impressed when I opened it up and plugged it in. It really moves some air, and it'll move the hair and stuff out of there, and has proven to be a nice little tool. Uses very little power. And
It's called, what was it,
it's the purchase, or the name of it is by X, the letter X Power, A-2 Aero Pro multi-use electric computer duster, dryer, and air pump blower, and it's blue. Comes in 3 colors, but that's a nice little tool.